The Marcos administration is ramping up the contract farming program to drive down the prices of rice, targeting 29 pesos per kilogram. The initiative includes support from the National Irrigation Administration, where the agency distributed seeds, fertilizers, and water and other assistance to farmers. The government aims to sell 100 million kilograms of rice in Kadiwa stores in Luzon, Cebu, and Davao by August. Meanwhile, the Department of Agriculture or DA is optimistic palay production will reach over 20 million metric tons amid the expected La Nina phenomenon.
Kung titingnan natin yung projection ng Pag-asa, ang La Nina will occur last part of the year, last quarter. Kung magtatanim ngayong May, kasi ang palay 4 months yan eh. Pag sabihin mo ng June, July, August, September, so kaya pa niyang i-harvest bago magdatingan yung malalakas na bagyo. Kaya ang key rito is mapaaga yung pagtatanim o kaya magtanim ng mga early maturing varieties. Ngayon, actually, ang target ng National Rice Program, nung nagpo-programa sila, 20.8 million metric tons. So, because of the improvement nga sa mga varieties natin at saka yung mga interventions. So, palagay ko papasok pa rin yung losses ng El Nino, La Nina doon sa projection natin. And we can still hit more than 20 million metric tons by the end of the year.